In last week's video, we went over why all cobblers hate double-stitched cowboy boots. And in this video, yet again, we have another pair of double-stitched cowboy boots. But these don't necessarily need new soles. However, we are still going to resole them in this video. My name is Oliver the Shoeman. My wife and I own and run our family's 5th generation family shoe repair business right outside Nashville, Tennessee.
I'm Ben, the head of our cowboy boot repair team here at Old Soul Shoe Repair. These Tony Llamas came from the factory with a crepe sole. There's nothing wrong with crepe soles. They are more of a modern style sole, designed for comfort and more casual wear.
So in this video, we're going to be covering 3 things. Why even put leather soles on cowboy boots? Things to consider before buying cowboy boots with leather soles on them. And a few different ways you can make your leather soles last longer. And at the same time, we're going to be converting these Tony Llamas from this standard crepe sole to a classic leather sole and rubber heel combination.
First, let's talk about why leather soles come on most cowboy boots. And no, it's not a wood sole. Leather soles come on cowboy boots traditionally because back when cowboy boots were first invented, that's all they really had for the sole material. They didn't have a lot of the rubber and things like that we do now. And it just became tradition to use that. And there were certain benefits to using leather soles. They were a lot slicker, especially in that time. There was a lot of riding, horseback riding. And leather soles are best for horseback riding. They allow sleek feel in the stirrups, that way you can slide in and out easier. They're also great for dancing. You don't want a lot of traction on that dance floor. If you're like me, you want to slide around with ease. And personally, I find them to be more comfortable than most other soles because the leather also conforms to the shape of your foot, I have found. Now, part of the reason that makes leather soles so great for certain things makes them terrible for others. So, like walking around town, they can be very slippery. They're not designed for walking around town. Just the nature of that leather sole. They can wear out fairly fast on things like concrete. I mean, if you get them wet, they can wear out even faster. So they're very purpose-built soles. They can be very comfortable. They can aid in things like horseback riding or dancing, but they're not great for anything else, really. That's why we generally recommend going for rubber soles, but I personally do have a fondness for leather soles. When I was demoing those higher boots, I enjoyed the leather sole on there, again with horse riding and things like that. But when I was using them just as everyday boots, I was walking around town with my girlfriend and things like that, and I was able to feel everything underneath my foot, and I didn't have much traction on smooth surfaces or wet surfaces or anything like that. reveal.
Ooh, doggy. We got it. Cool.
Lastly, what are some ways you can get more life out of your leather soles? Well, you can condition them for one. Over time, the sole will dry out. Add some conditioner on the bottom of it will help it last a little bit longer. You can also do sole savers or sole guards is another one. It's a thin piece of rubber that we put over top of it to help preserve the leather sole itself, still giving the same aesthetics and the profile of a leather sole without having to worry about wearing out as fast.
You can't ride horses as well or dance in those as well.
No, it does negate those two factors.
Yep.
Or we could also do French tips. We did a video covering all of these. The French tips is basically a brass or steel toe plate that goes along here. With cowboy boots, the toes stick out further than where your toes normally sit, so it tends to scrape the ground a lot. Adding those French tips will help it preserve that toe and prevent the stitching from wearing through easily.
And you still can dance and ride horses with French tips, so if you want to do that, you don't have to worry about that.
Exactly.
Well, for the sake of the video, we just did one just so we could show you kind of a before and after, what it looks like with a crepe sole, what it looks like without. It's a huge difference. I personally love the look and the aesthetics of the leather soles compared to the crepe soles. But again, the crepe soles are designed more for comfort. It's going to give you more cushion. Leather's kind of that classic cowboy boot look.
And this is where I think leather truly shines, personally. With leather, you get to finish that edge a lot cleaner. You get to also do different colors with the edge finishing. With crepe or rubber soles, you're kind of left with the flat black or brown that it comes with. So you get a lot classier of a look. That's why a lot of dress shoes still use leather soles.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have a pair of cowboy boots you want resold or you want some sort of alteration, we do take mail-in repairs. These were mailed in. All my contact information will be down below. Feel free to give us a call or a text throughout the week. We are happy to help. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more cowboy boot content just like this. Until next time, God bless you. Very nice.
No ice cream sandwich this time?
No ice cream sandwiches this time.